we're excited to finally be able to introduce the four-wheel drive version of our very popular brush rover. This brush-munching beast has been designed and engineered based on all the invaluable insights and feedback we've received from you, our community of outdoor professionals. Who uses a brush rover? Well, they have become an outdoor professional's best friend for properties that need regular clearing. The brush clearing applications for a brush rover are literally endless for landscaping crews, contractors, parks departments, trail maintenance teams, large property owners, and even property maintenance companies. Brush rover is an essential piece of outdoor power equipment for maintaining municipalities, ditches, roadways, right-of-ways, hunting properties, orchards, vineyards, and pastures that, quite frankly, have gone to pasture. They are ideal machines for blazing new trails in national, state, and city parks. And just to be clear, brush rovers are not finish mowers. They are a flailed brush cutter designed to take down saplings, tall and thick grass, brambles, blackberries, and other assorted vegetation. The brush rover knocks it all down and then mulches up the debris. It even spreads the mulch quite evenly under the footprint of the machine, so you won't be left with tall ridges and furrows. You gotta like that. No cleanup or raking required.